So I need to ask you something. How many times have you searched how to make money online and ended up more confused than when you started? Yeah, same here. Because let's be honest, most online income methods are either way too complicated, ridiculously expensive, or they promise the world and deliver absolutely nothing. But what if I told you there's a system designed specifically for people who don't want to build funnels, don't want to run ads, and definitely don't want to spend months learning tech? It's called Mobile Profits. And before you roll your eyes, trust me, I did too. When I first heard about it, I thought, there's no way people are making money just posting content from their phones. But then I started digging. And what I found surprised me. Mobile Profits is built around something very simple. You log in, you pick a niche, and your system is activated. That's it. Step 1, choose a niche. Weight loss, dating, make money online, pets, survival. These are markets that already have buyers. People are already spending money there. You're not inventing demand, you're plugging into it. Step 2, activate your machine. And this is where it gets interesting. The system provides pre-made landing pages, done-for-you viral-style content, images, captions, even short-form video ideas. And your affiliate link is already embedded. No coding, no designing, no tech headaches. If you can copy and paste, you're qualified. Step 3, post daily. Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, 5 to 15 minutes a day. That's the whole workflow. Content, clicks, commissions. Simple. Now let's talk about the numbers. The average commission inside the system is around $30 per sale. If you're driving traffic consistently, and I mean consistently, even a handful of sales per day can add up fast. And that's the key word here, consistency. This is not a magic button, it's leverage. Instead of building everything from scratch, you're using a pre-built structure and focusing only on traffic. That's what makes it beginner-friendly. And here's what I like about it. It's software, not a PDF, not a theory course, not watch 42 hours of training and figure it out. You log in and you use it. That alone separates it from a lot of programs out there. Now, is this going to make you rich overnight? No, and anyone who says that is lying. But can it help you build a simple affiliate income stream without tech overwhelm? Yes, especially if you've tried before and felt stuck. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and there's a commission notification. It might be $30, it might be $100, but that moment when you realize something worked while you were sleeping, that hits different. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need to be early, you don't need to be famous, you don't need thousands of followers. You just need a system and daily action. That's it. If you're curious about Mobile Profits, I've put the details below this video so you can check it out for yourself. Take your time, do your research, and decide if it fits your goals. Because at the end of the day, no system works unless you do. But if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building something, this might be your first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.